we're just working our way up to Tofino. The first plank.
You want to just go with the flow. Waves out back like so nice. I bet you Nora's out there somewhere.
Surfing is waiting for the winds to come up.
It's one of these places where even when it doesn't look like it's raining, it's raining. Skipping over America, going straight to Canada. Touchdown in Vancouver. Time to get the rental car and head to the Airbnb and then the ferry.
It is not a factual retelling of the day by any stretch.
So I successfully navigated the transition. Met up with Eric. It's damn near the earliest I've ever gotten to Vancouver Island. Middle of the Pacific Ocean at dawn, which is like, I'm not usually a dawn patrol type guy, but I guess today I am. Not for surfing, but we're going over the basics of surfing, doing a little surf instructional classroom session here. Look at those waves from the ship that are being sent out. Those are probably a good 2 feet. Oh, here we go. Check it out. There's the goat on the roof. Old Country Market in Coombs. Quote, goats on the roof. If you're tired of having to repair shingles, this might be a solution for you. Just doing some errands in the Alberni Valley before heading off to Tofino. It's still almost 2 hours away. But yeah, it's kind of cool to be around all these friendly Canadians. Like, it's like my favorite thing in the world. So yeah, talking to my homie about the Tragically Hip. Hey, check it out. We made it to Tofino, the place where we started the Frequency Horizon in the first place. Basically, did start it as a Twitter account a little bit before that, but essentially this is the place where it took root, and we're about to go and teach Eric how to surf. Woo! Apparently there's some waves today even. I'm stoked.
The Tofino General Hospital Foundation presents the Autumn Social at the Tofino Legion.
So how do you feel about trying to surf? Have you ever surfed before?
Yeah, all my life.
Okay, where are we? Yuki Poke Bowl. I don't know if we're in the right rental spot. I guess they'll direct us to the right spot. This wasn't here last time. There was something else here before. I don't know what it was. I guess my question has been answered. This is a very cool surf shop. I love coming to Tofino because there's always like the same vibe, but it's like in a different configuration. Look at the cam right now at Cox Bay. Look at that. It looks so fun. Does it look intimidating?
No,
It doesn't look too
chill
bad.
as fuck. How many feet is that?
It's got to be like 3 feet. Maybe there's some 3.5 foot. Like, this is exactly what I was hoping for. So once you get out there, it's gonna look way bigger. Though, I promise. Okay, let's go rent some boards.
As soon as you're in the wetsuit, your board ready to go in the water, you stop. You're gonna frame your board in the sand, you're gonna take it out, and you're gonna mimic how you stand up.
Okay.
Okay, there's 5 movements, super easy. Now you make sure your hands are inside that frame of the board, and then all the way to your ribs. Your first plank, pass, back foot, front foot, and then push. So try this.
Okay.
Good, until you don't nail this like in a fluid movement, don't go in the water. because it's going to be way more difficult with all the elements trying to pull that out than on land. So you try this on land, try it 20 times.
Hey, it's Drew with the Frequency Horizon. I'm down here at 38th Ave in Santa Cruz. There is a coastal high surf advisory going on. I just received a package from Magic Mind. It's a company out of Venice, and they reached out to me and said, hey, we're doing this cool thing coming up. Do you want to be part of it? There's a bunch of cool stuff in it. Mushrooms that are grown in California. There's matcha and a lot of other cool stuff that's gone into this mental performance shot. Let's try it. Actually, it tastes pretty dope. We'll see how it goes as I continue on this challenge. I woke up this morning feeling not that great, probably due to some of the junk food I ate yesterday. Not a good idea, but I'm actually stoked to reclaim my brain with this shot. All right, it's day 4 of taking this Magic Mind. Day 5. Shot number 6. This year I've really started to prioritize my health, and that includes not just the personal training sessions and surfing that I've been doing, but also we have the Magic Mind sleep performance shot. So this sleep performance shot, it's got some different stuff in it, like kava, which, is all the rage here in California. I don't know if you've been to any of those kava bars that are out there, and it's got a lot of lemon balm, the ashwagandha, the L-theanine, stuff like that. So yeah, if you're interested in the bundle they have going on for 45% off, head to magicmind.com/frequencyjan. This place is bringing back memories. Someone going for it right there. They found the edge. There's no one else on it. And bam, they're up. And they're down. Nope. That one is probably maybe like 4 feet for sure.
It breaks from the right to the left.
We kind of talk about it like stage left and stage right. Like that would be right. You want to paddle as furiously as possible during the moments where it's quiet, so that when it's crazy coming in, when it picks up, you can see it's picking up, you're like, oh, I can't get up past that. Well, don't worry about it. Your goal is not to make it past it. It's to just kind of maintain your position as best as possible and not waste your energy, so that when it calms down, you can say, oh, okay, now go.
I'm hungry for waves right now, man.
Oh, it's so cold compared to Santa Cruz. You could do that by the end of today, you would be a surfing prodigy. It's beautiful and I want to try. Move with the waves. You want to just go with the flow. Go with the flow. Yep, that's the idea. I'll do that again. Here comes a big set. It's closing out though. The waves are cold and you can go where you want. At Wickaninnish or to flow. Tofino. If you have a groveler, it will work, but Tofino. Get a hard top, it's a longboard too. Tofino. Substance in them that is natural. It's natural. Go, alright, go. Woo. Go. Oh, good try. Oh, 50. You almost had it. Almost had it. Try again. It's kind of like a perfect day to learn. Those waves out back look so nice. I bet you Nora's out there somewhere. Maybe even Andy. I wonder if Andy from our channel from back, I don't know, a year or two ago, maybe more. He's probably out here too. He's not at his shop. I'd say make your decision about whether to go on a wave or not earlier, so that you have time to make a couple extra paddles gracefully, because every extra movement of the board, it messes up the surface tension, and then you spend all your extra effort trying to get on the wave instead of paddling down the wave, okay? He's figuring it out.
Okay, is he gonna? Oh, he's pushing through this one. Okay.
Woo! How was that?
I mean, it's nice to feel that you're standing.
That's an understatement. A little bit of closeout happening. Frequency horizon.